Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Financial Hub. In this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through the steps to create a Zerion Wallet account on your mobile device. Okay, first download and install the app developed by Zerion Inc. Once installed, open the Zerion app. On the home screen, you will see two options, Create New Wallet and Import Existing Wallet. Tap on Create New Wallet to begin. Now here, set passcode for your wallet and re-enter your passcode to confirm. Now here's the most important part. Zerion will show you a secret recovery phrase, also called a seed phrase. This is a 12-word phrase generated just for you. Think of it like the master key to your wallet. If you lose your phone, get locked out, or uninstall the app, this is the only way to recover access. Write down the full 12-word phrase in the exact order shown. Never take a screenshot, don't save it in a plain text on your phone. Just use paper and store it somewhere safe like a drawer or a password vault. And yes, that's it. Your wallet is now created. Tap Finish. If you ever need to back up your phrase later, go to Settings and then Wallet and then Backup. You can also enable biometric login or a PIN for extra security. And yes, that's how you create and secure your Zerion wallet. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and tap the bell icon for more crypto guides and wallet tutorials. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there in the crypto world.